With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says read the following sentences carefully and select the incorrect statement. So here the first statement is estrogen hormone produces secondary messenger and accelerate the biochemical reaction in the cell. So estrogen is a type of a hormone which is steroidal in nature, and steroidal hormones act by acting inside the cells on the nuclear receptors, or what we can call it as an intracellular receptors. Right, so these are the intracellular receptors on which they are going to act. They are not going to generate any kind of secondary messengers, and by acting on the intracellular receptors we are going to produce a biochemical or a physiological response later on. So here we see that it says that it produces a secondary messenger, while production of the secondary messenger is a action of the protein hormones, because protein hormones cannot enter inside the cell. So there are certain receptors which lie on the membrane. They are going to attach to these receptors, form a hormone receptor complex, and thus cause the reaction. So here we see that the option number 1 is the wrong option which is given here, so we can mark it as a right statement. Then is receptors for the fat soluble hormones are intracellular indication. As explained, the lipid bilayer can allow the passing of the fat soluble hormones into the intracellular part, and then it can act on the nuclear receptors or on the genetic material to cause the gene expression. So this is also the right statement. The thyroxine hormone, which is secreted by the thyroid gland, they also have specific intracellular receptors and regulate the gene expression. This is right statement. Whereas cyclic GMP is a secondary messenger for adrenaline that interact with intracellular or nuclear receptors, is also the right statement. So adrenaline also cannot enter inside the cell, so it acts on the outer side of the cell. That is, by acting on the receptors, it is going to form a hormone receptor complex and then generate the formation of these molecules, which is cyclic AMP or DAG, diacylglycerol, or inositol triphosphate. So these are some of the secondary messengers, while adrenaline will specifically form cyclic AMP. Cyclic AMP molecules will cause the biochemical reaction and thereby the physiological reactions later on. So this is the right statement here, but the only right or wrong option here is option number 1. So we can mark this as the right answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.